In this video today, I'm going to share 2 hacks. Yes, this is a hack video. I'm going to be sharing 2 hacks that will help you get 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. Yes, the last time I shared this video, a lot of creators came back and told me they got 1,000 subscribers. See guys, if you know you don't want 1,000 subscribers, you don't need to watch this video, because if you do what I'm going to tell you in this video, you're going to be getting subscribers constantly. And I'm going to show you how to use this hack to get 1,000 subscribers to your channel. But there is a but. I'm going to share the but. After getting your 1,000 subscribers, you need to stop, because it will help you to get subscribers. And I'm going to be explaining in this video why you need to stop, and I'm going to show you how to do this hack. And then, if you're seeing my face for the very first time on your screen, I'm Creative Blessing. Here we grow together and we help each other to do YouTube the right way. You know how we do it. I'm not going to waste your time. Go into the comment section, support a creator. See, genuine support. And guys, please, all this sub me, we don't do that here. We don't do sub for sub here. We follow and support genuinely. So if you know you don't like a channel, if you know you don't like their content, don't subscribe. Only subscribe to channels you love their content. And of course, give this video a thumbs up. Let's go straight into the video, and don't forget to subscribe. So the first hack I'm going to show you here is called the viral sound. If you're a beginner here on YouTube, getting 1,000 subscribers can actually be a little bit difficult, because yeah, I understand you need views for you to get 1,000 subscribers. So I'm going to show you the viral sound hack. Okay, so this viral sound hack is going to help you get subscribers to your channel. And I know some of us have faceless channels and some of us have face channel, like where we show our face. This sound hack is going to work for both faceless and face channel. So let me show you how to do this on your channel. Let's just go right into the video. Go to your YouTube app. So you open your YouTube app. This is the interface. You click on the plus sign and you go to shorts. Yes, of course, we're making use of shorts. Okay, so once you get here, okay, so this is your shorts. Okay, now click on add. So once you get here, click on a clip. Okay, for a lot of us to have a clip on our video, it could be yourself, any video of your choice. Click on this one, then you nest. Now after nesting, you can actually adjust this less than or even 1 minute. You can leave it for 1 minute. Okay, so we're using this video for example. Now you click on done. All right, so this is just going to take like 2 seconds to process. Okay, so you click on done. So once this is done, now this is where the trick comes in. Add sound. Before I proceed, I did this 1 year ago, and a lot of you can attest to the fact that this is still working up to date. Now YouTube will display popular sounds to you. You can see here, the first one is Papatua. The second one, I hope I pronounced it well, is hello. The next one, let me be, you know, these are popular sound. The reason why you're going to use this sound is because these sounds easily go viral, and if they are playing in your videos, in your pictures, or whatever you are uploading as your short, it is going to help that video to go viral. Okay, now there is one thing I need you to understand. Go for the ones that have the higher views. Now you can see this one has 1.9 million shots. You can see that's 1.9 million persons used it. Now you can see this one, the second one is 290 shots. Always go for the ones with higher numbers. So let's click on this one. This is a popular sound actually. Okay, so I'm sure this is already playing. So you click on this one. Okay, so guys, it's going to take time to process. Let me mute this. All right, so let me mute the sound because I'm not trying to play it in my video. Okay, so this sound will automatically be playing in your shorts. All right, so if you want to really spice things up, you can come here and add a text and just say anything you want to say. Let me just say wow. Whatever you want to say, maybe something related to your video, specifically for your video. Okay, so let's just say wow. So you can drag it to any position you want it to be in your shorts. And this is it. I would advise creators, try using your videos. Okay, videos from your long form. if at all you need to post it on your shorts. Use video from your long form. It's going to drive traffic to that video as well, and at the same time giving you subscribers. Now people are going to click because of this sound. All right, and this is a viral sound. This is really simple, very simple hack, not too much stress. The next thing you just want to do, you click on next. So after clicking on next, you know how to do this whole thing. It's just the normal process of uploading your YouTube short. You can come and add your title. Let's say the title is maybe how to dance, for example, and you can come here and just pick one hashtag, just one. You can come here. Remember, place it on public. Okay, when it comes to shorts, you don't need to unlist, member, private. Just place it on public because you want people to see the video. And always make sure this particular settings is set. No, it's not made for kids. Very important. Okay, then you can click here to see more if you want to go further and look at more settings. Okay, so once this is done, the next thing you want to do, you upload the shorts. All right, so as it is right now, I'm not trying to upload this short on my channel. This is the first hack. Now the second hack, I'm going to take you guys to my channel. Okay, just follow me step by step. This is my YouTube channel. Okay, so now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take you guys to the unlisted part of my shorts. The reason why these videos are unlisted is because I am done with this kind of videos. The main purpose of me uploading these videos were solely to get subscribers. So I had to unlist. You can see, guys, unlisted, 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 unlisted. They are not public. So if you go to my channel right now, you see these particular shorts. You see all these shorts right here. You will not see them because I use them to get subscribers. Now, let me show you guys something. Let me take you to one of these shorts. Click on it. Okay. So this is going to be playing in the background right now. So I don't want this to play. And this is me making this particular shot about a year ago. If you look at this got 7,537 views. Guys, this shot works. Now, this is where we have the but. If you continue to make this kind of shots on your channel, see, you will continue to attract subscribers that will end up not watching your long form videos. So while you're making this kind of shots, always make sure your attention is still on your long form videos. Do not lose focus on your long form videos. See, I'm putting my hands in my ear right now. Don't say I did not tell you. Do these videos, get your subscribers, stop. Once you get 1,000 subscribers, it doesn't matter anymore. If you like, have 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. All you need to get monetized here on YouTube is 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers. So now, this particular short, if you want to see the particular subscribers I got, let's go to my YouTube studio. So guys, this is my YouTube studio. I want to show you like how many subscribers I was able to get. So I think this should be the video. Okay, so let's click on it. So you guys can see here, this video was made 2025. This is over a year now, even more than a year plus. Okay, so guys, come here. Are you seeing what I'm seeing here? 432 subscribers. Let me zoom it very well so you can see. When I'm telling you something, you guys should listen to me. 432 subscribers. This came from one of this shorts. So like I said, you can do this particular shorts. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's really simple, pretty simple. Just come over to where you have shorts. You click on shorts, and the next thing you want to do, you want to search for viral sound. Okay, so you come over here, you click on viral sound challenge. Okay, so let's see, we have different options here. So guys, I'm not trying to play any of this viral sounds. I want you guys to understand something. Okay, I'm only trying to show you how to do it on your channel. So I'm actually showing you guys how to do it on your channel. So if you really want to know how to do this video step by step, this particular viral challenge, this one I just showed you, the second hack, don't worry, I'll just leave a link. I think I'll drop a link on this video. Just go and watch it, this particular video. Watch it. It's going to show you step by step how to do it. But then once you're done getting your 1,000 subscribers, please stop, so you can focus on your long form videos. So I hope this is going to help you to get your 1,000 subscribers. And yeah, I'm going to see you in another video. Bye.